Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy it home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making homemade chili. The ingredients that we're going to need today are diced tomatoes, kidney beans, chili beans, tomato paste, ground black pepper, chili powder, oregano, ground cumin, beef broth, ground beef, onion, garlic cloves, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and also celery. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. I have a 15.5 ounce can of light red kidney beans. You want to rinse them off. 1 16-ounce can of chili beans, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of beef broth, a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes, and I use fire roasted, 1 small onion diced, 1/4 cup of red bell pepper chopped, 1/4 cup of green bell pepper chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 6 ounces of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also 1 teaspoon of... Okay guys, in a heated skillet, I'm going to add my ground beef. Go ahead and begin to break it down. And to the ground beef, you can add some pepper and a little bit of salt if you would like. Now you want to continue to cook your ground beef until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is all brown and done cooking, you want to turn off your heat. You want to remove it from your pan, drain it of all excess grease, and set it to the side. Next, in a heated pot, you want to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To that olive oil, we're going to add in our onion, our red bell pepper, our green bell pepper, and also our celery. And we're going to let it saute over medium heat. You want it to saute for 5 minutes. Okay, now after 5 minutes, we're going to add in our ground beef. Go ahead and mix that together. To the ground beef, you want to add in your beef broth, your diced tomatoes, also your tomato paste. And we're just going to mix that until everything is well combined. Guys, I've already added in my chili powder, cumin, and oregano. I'm going to add in my ground black pepper and also my garlic cloves. just want to mix it until everything is well combined. We're going to add in our kidney beans and also our chili beans. Go ahead and give that a nice mix, making sure it's all combined well. Once everything is well combined, you want to lower your heat to low and you want to cover it, and we're going to let it cook for 35 minutes. Just don't forget to stir occasionally. Okay guys, after 35 minutes, our chili is done. Okay guys, this is our chili. It tastes really delicious. So if you guys want to add toppings, you can get some sour cream. Just going to add a little bit to the top. Then you can add some scallions, and I have some shredded mild cheddar cheese. Add that to the top and sprinkle some scallions on it also. You also know you can eat it with white rice. I'm sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?